Yeah.
Good jump. That was good. Look how far you went all by yourself. You didn't need dad at all. Do you monkey back? Come on with your monkey.
Let me see. Yay, sister! You gonna go monkey walks back? What does Corey call those?
Monkey walk.
No, Corey doesn't.
Yeah, she does.
No, she doesn't. Yay!
Good job, sweetie.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Hey, Jojo.
You ready to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, jump!
She just has the best smile when she does that. It's so much fun, huh, Sal?
I want to do it again.